Name another dual clutch car you can get for under 2 grand. I'm waiting, like what? What's going on, JR Garage? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a new week, and that means a new car. We're in 106-degree summer, waiting for our next project car, which is gonna be brought out from those gates here at the salvage auction any minute now. So just yesterday, we had to drop off our Maserati Gran Turismo at Kyle Highline European to replace the air conditioning compressor. An expensive part, but we found a good used one that should fit the bill. We had to take it there on a trailer because it's a serpentine belt that runs like everything. And so if that belt went from a Seats compressor, then that would kind of leave us stranded, no alternative or everything. So I had to trailer it there. So I figured, empty trailer, gotta be able to find a good car. Boy, did I find something that I think is gonna be pretty sweet. Now, why do we need another car? Anytime there's a good deal on a cheap car, I mean, sometimes you don't even need a reason. Sure. But in this case, we do have the perfect reason. My girlfriend moved out here to help us with some of our business adventures. Having her here is very nice. Left her car back at home, looking for a good, economical car. But something still a little bit of fun. So it's gotta be budget, it's gotta be cheap. You guys know us, but even with a small budget, a couple $1,000, you can find something pretty darn cool. And it's gonna be brought out in just a second. You know us, we liked weird kind of like engines, different kind of cars. Just something a little bit sporty. So this car has what engine in it? 6-cylinder, but it's not a V6. This car has a good old VR6, which clearly indicates it's a Volkswagen. If you guys know your cars, Volkswagen uses VR6s, and it's very unique. It's kind of a rare car. Perfect for her, it'll be a fun car, and folding hardtop, that indicates what it is already. So you'll see it here in just a second, but it's got a VR6. This engine is such a cool engine, sounds great. It's the same engine found in the R32 legendary car. It's gonna be a fun one, and yes, we got it for under 2,000 bucks. We'll show it to you in just a second when it comes. Here we go. And there you guys have it, our new 2007 Volkswagen Eos. I'll show the interior real quick. It's got the sport package, so it came with the bigger 18-inch wheels that has nice Michelin tires still on it, so that's good. It has the sport seats, good room back there, so it is a 4-seater. It's a convertible hardtop, which is really fun. I think she'll like that. And Arizona, perfect weather to have a convertible, and the hardtop is nice because you get the best of both worlds. Boom, there she is. The iconic 3.2-liter VR6, not a V6. It says V6. That is fake news.
And you're fake news.
It's a VR6, yes.
So it's almost an inline, but they're all offset. So it's half of our W12 engine in our Bentley.
It's a really good engine. I'm excited to get, behind the wheel with it. What's really, really cool about this car does not get enough love for what it is. It's basically an R32 with a folding hardtop. This is the exact same engine found in an R32. We've always liked that car, and it has that 250 horsepower engine. It's the exact same horsepower. They didn't detune this or anything. So this is a really cool, rare car. We got slotted rotors up front.
Dual clutch to match.
Oh yeah, we gotta show them that. So another thing that makes this car so cool, it has the DSG dual clutch transmission. The standard 2-liter turbo does not come with the DSG. It just has the standard torque converter.
Does that mean this thing has launch mode?
It's got some sort of launch control, I'm pretty sure. Name another dual clutch car for under 2 grand. You can't. BMW's got dual clutches, other Volkswagens, but GTIs and all that stuff are way more than 2 grand.
Yeah, this is really early on. I mean, it was 08 for BMW's DCT, it was 09 for Porsche's PDK, so I think Volkswagen really pioneered this.
Such a cool car, and this transmission is so good. All the reports say it drives beautifully, and it's a really fun car. So for 2 grand, you can't beat it. Now, of course, they're saying, oh, well, why was it 2 grand? Well, this is why it was 2 grand. I know it looks bad because they have the taillights off. The insurance company, when they were disassembling it, took those off. Don't worry, they're in the trunk. All the parts are in the trunk. Everything is here. Look at this. This single little punch sent the car to auction. Like, are you kidding me? Look, it didn't touch the quarters, it didn't touch the trunk, nothing. Like, this is the smallest little accident. This is gonna be so easy to fix, and then we'll have a perfect car. Oh, this is gonna be a fun one. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Ooh, these sport seats are nice. They really hold you in. These are nice. Oh, it's got paddle shifters. That's so cool. Dual clutch paddle shifters for under 2 grand. Oh, it's got the Dyne audio package. This apparently bumps. It lights up. What if the battery's good to go? Let's try to start it.
Never happened.
Let's try to start it. We always have to jump our cars when we get them from auction because they sit for like months on end. Let's give it a try. Ready? Wait, this will tell us if the engine's good or not. We don't even know. What if the engine has a problem? That would really suck. All right, will the budget R32 start in 3, 2, 1? Yo!
Beautiful, sounds great.
No check engine lights, no nothing. What are we up to? Home run number 7. This is just unbelievable. When is our luck gonna end? Oh man, guess I should have checked the oil first, but then again, it's always like dealer maintained. Yeah. Listen to it, just purring away. It runs great.
That's cool, it looks good. Brake fluid.
What's this? Did the coolant line get a little too happy back there? Okay, we'll check that out. Look at that, you can barely hear it.
You can barely hear it. We got to do something to it. How do these things sound?
Oh snap, they sound really good. One thing about this car is this engine, the VR6, sounds really, really good, especially with some straight pipes. Now I know you all are saying, JR Garage, you gotta chill out. Stop it with the straight pipes. Like, enough is enough. I'll throw up a clip, and after you hear it, I think you'll be agreeing with us that we have to do something to this thing. Stock is not an option. I want that sound. As always, guys, I think if you get this video to 10,000 likes, we will strongly consider putting maybe an exhaust on this car, maybe doing a muffler delete or something. I think it would be hilarious to surprise Christian's girlfriend with straight pipes and like her not know what's up and then like go to start it up and it makes, you know, some loud rumble. I think that would be hilarious, an awesome video. So if you guys want to see secretly straight piping my girlfriend's Volkswagen, then be sure to smash that like button. 10,000 likes, I think I'll make it happen. All right, I told him 10,000 likes and we'll secretly surprise her with straight pipes.
She does like loud cars. She loves the F430, but...
Oh, we're good then.
Yeah.
All right, we're good. We're good. She likes loud cars. Smash that like button and we will make it scream.
One little problem I found up in the engine bay.
Oh, shoot. Uh-oh. What's that?
Windshield washer fluid bottle, so.
Oh, okay. All right, we got to replace that. All right, we're going to try out this transmission. We'll go into drive. Oh, it's got sport mode too. That's cool. All right, will it work? Oh, yeah. There it is, inching up. Now back.
Yeah. Right there.
Stop. Okay. All right, we're in business. It is burning hot. Christian got an ice cream while we were waiting for the car to come. There it is back there. One fun fact about this car, I'm pretty sure, correct me if I'm wrong, in 2007, this was the most expensive Volkswagen you could buy. This car's stickered for about $45,000 with all the options, which it has. I tell you, this is a rare spec. You do not see these VR6s every day. Now that they're underappreciated and nobody cares about them, and or maybe nobody knew it was a VR6, they just thought it was a typical Eos. Nobody showed up to bid, so we got it for $19.50. That's a score. It was local here in Phoenix, so we picked it up ourselves. No cost to ship it. And before you say, oh, why are you getting such an old, cheap car for your girlfriend or whatever, like, guys, chill out. Like, she appreciates cool cars and we wanted something very cheap just to like throw around. Like, we have the Teslas and all the other cars for main daily driver duty, but when we need like a third car or a fourth car or something, or like a 25th car when all of our other cars are broken.
I mean, you're not wrong, but you didn't have to say it.
And I think for the money, you can't beat it. So maybe we'll take it for a little short drive, see if it operates well. And then once it's back from being fixed, we will do a full review, clean up and everything. All right, let's hit it. Here we go.
11 minutes later.
Let's go for a first drive, make sure everything works and try out this dual clutch transmission. Oh yeah.
Sounds good.
Starts right up. Yeah, it's got a good little sound to it. All right, trying out the AC. That's definitely something that has to work when it's 107 degrees outside.
Oh no, these window wipers gotta be careful.
Yeah, I know, I cannot hit the window wipers or else that's gonna scratch the thing. We're out of juice anyway, you know, it shows that warning. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, first time, totally legal in Mexico once again. Oh my God. Yeah. All right, that was the window wipers going down. Transmission's good, brakes good. Feels good.
Let's see if launch mode's good.
Heck no, we're not messing with that. Wow, you can't beat that. You buy something from an auction, the battery's good to go, start it up, start driving it immediately.
Yeah.
Okay, feels good.
Comfortable, smooth, quiet.
Not going too hard on it, but I'm curious how good these paddles are.
How responsive the shifts are.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Oh yeah, yeah, they're fast. Yeah, dual clutch.
So good. You just don't expect that. You're not ready for that in a car like this.
Yeah, dual clutch. Oh, it needs an exhaust. What do you guys think? Come on. Man, idle's good. So smooth. So smooth. This engine's known for being...
Motor mounts feel great. Doesn't feel like it's running.
No real tweaks in the sunroof or anything. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Going easy on it, but so that's in paddle mode. This is normal drive. It's got like the wind deflector in the trunk. It's got all the parts that it's supposed to have. Dual clutch for under $2,000. Name another dual clutch car you can get for under $2,000. I'm waiting. Like what?
That's a good point. Oh, sunroof. We can put it in sunroof.
Oh yeah. What makes this car so cool, one of the big selling features of the Eos, it has a sunroof even though it's a convertible. Oh, yep. Okay,
what?
There we go.
It goes like this?
Yeah, look at that. We now have a sunroof.
A huge sunroof.
This is cool. 45 grand back in the day. Yep. Okay, that sound system is really good. We got like up top tweeters, speakers there. All right guys, what's up? It is the next day. We got the Eos dropped off. That is in the process of being repaired, new bumper on it. We're at Kaizen Collision. You guys know what that means. That means it's time to pick up the C300. Finally, we got it right here. We got Zane and Marco coming through to get some awesome footage for the giveaway that's gonna be going live. We need some good content, right?
Bangers.
So we're gonna get that today. Give you guys the first startup and the first walk around with the new paint on the bumpers, all the repairs done. Now it is cosmetically looking great. You guys ready for this cold start with the new tune?
Oh yeah.
You haven't heard it with the new tune.
Please.
Dude, it's pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, just subtle, right? Subtle. You get the idea.
It's a good sound right there.
That sounds good, yeah. Uh-oh, this manual, I have missed the manual transmission. Okay, vlog, we got the car all cleaned up. It looks immaculate, ready to go for these rollers. We got Zane hanging out of the back of the car. Just slightly illegal, but hey, you gotta, anything for the shot, right? So, oh my gosh, this edit is about to be so sick. So, yeah, enough of me talking. Let's just let Zane do his magic and enjoy what could be your new car.
Like a haunting melody.
Boom, so there you guys have it. You just watched Zane's edit of the car. Wasn't that pretty sick? I mean, I don't even know what it looks like, but I know it's gonna be good.
Should be fire.
Oh, is this Mustang boy for the second time? This dude's really trying to get on the vlog. Hit it. All right, I can respect it. It sounds pretty good. So, if you guys are trying to win this car, again, go to the Instagram page. We are launching the giveaway most likely this weekend, either this weekend or next weekend. Man, we are glowing out here. Look at this sunset. Arizona sunsets. Look at that. Absolutely insane. So yeah, anyway, we'll hash out the details, but it's gonna be super easy. Basically, all you're gonna have to do is follow our other pages on Instagram and some companies we work with, like Kaizen Collision, who repainted and repaired the bumpers. You're gonna have to follow them as one of the steps, and a couple other companies that we work closely with on the channel. And then like tag 3 friends on the picture when it goes live. It's gonna be so easy. It's gonna take all of like 10 seconds. So giveaway number 2, and we have many more coming. There you guys have it. Okay, fun Eos video. What do you guys think of the new car? Drop a comment down below. I think she's really gonna like it. Again, 10,000 likes for straight pipes. Please like this video up. I really want to straight pipe that car, or at least do some sort of exhaust on it. We actually already ordered the bumper for the car. It's already red, so no painting necessary. All we do is bolt it up on and then we're done. The bumper was like $150. That's it. 150 bucks is all we need to fix that car, and then it will be good to go. So comment future video suggestions if you guys want to see more videos with it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Stay tuned to C300 giveaway and Audi S8 straight piping coming very soon. You guys rock, stay awesome, and have a great rest of your day.
That it feels right.